Alrighty, YouTube. So this, I believe, Corey. Let me look up his name really quick on my TV. Corey Asbury, I believe, wrote it, along with Caleb and Ryan. Sorry, Ryan. And Ryan. Okay. Reckless Love. These are the chords that you can actually find for yourself in the description below. I'm going to add it by Worship Piano Tutorials. So you can type in your search bar on YouTube, Worship Piano Tutorials. Actually, look at it right here. Right there, Worship Piano Tutorials. And then probably even Reckless Love, and that's the video they have. Pretty great video. Actually subscribed to them and liked the video because I pretty much I'm sorry guys, someone is texting me. Okay, it went off the screen. So I'm just gonna give you the same keys, chords that she used. Just have all your docs in an envelope. Okay. Reply. Doing this in the video is pretty cool. Okay. Thank you so much. With my Note 3, if you texted me or called me during a video recording, I actually lost the entire video. It made me pretty mad. This, it doesn't do that. This is the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So, in your, let me see if I could play the chord thing right here with the tripod in my way, just so you guys can understand what I'm going through here. Let's see if I can get this. This is what's going on. I got a tripod. Very professional. Oops. Did I break it? Oh, something happened just now. So, let's see if I can get this right here. So it is G sharp minor, F sharp, E, and then an inverted B. Just play it once. So she said just to use one for your left, but I like to hear that deepness. So I'm gonna say you can use both G sharps. Right hand over here. You're gonna do G sharp, B, which is this long one here, and D sharp, which is this key here. So for those who want to probably pause the video, that's what I'm doing there. And then F sharp, which is one down. You're moving your right hand down as well. F sharp, A sharp, and C sharp. E, you're going down again. And in your right hand, you're hitting E, G sharp, and B. That would be your first and second verse. That's all you're hitting for your first and second verse. You're not adding this final chord or keys, which would go up to B. I'm hitting the tripod, sorry, which would be this. So I'm sorry, my fingers were spread too wide. That's B. Right hand, we're doing D sharp, F sharp, and B. Remember, this is B here. very slowly. G sharp, F sharp, E, and B. That would be for your intro twice, chorus. Wait, intro. Oh, sorry. Intro twice. Yeah, intro twice, chorus, and your bridge, and then the last chorus. The verse would not use the B. Would not use the B. So the verse sounds like this. It's the same thing. Same progression. So it's this. I have to cheat. Look at the lyrics because this is not a song I've been practicing too long. I just love to hear there's no shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up. All right, so it says before I spoke a word, you were singing over me. You've been so good to me. Before I took a breath, you breathed your life in me. You've been so... Wow, I looked at the screen sound. You've been so kind to me. And then the overwhelming is the chorus. No, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh, it chases me down, fights till I'm found, leaves the 99, and I couldn't earn it, and I don't deserve it. Still, you give yourself away. You go back to the verse, which does not use the B. It does not use this. You just do the three: G sharp, F sharp, and E. Got the verse, and then the bridge is the same thing. The bridge is the same thing as the chorus. It's there's no shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. Sorry. I was thinking of something else. There's no wall you won't tear down, lie you won't. Whoa! There's no wall you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me. There's no shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. There's no wall you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me. And then oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. And oh, it chases me down, flights till I'm found, leaves tonight, and I don't deserve. Alright, and I couldn't earn it, sorry. Every time I do a recording, I always mess up. Alright, so that's it. Dang, 9 minutes? Ugh. Sorry, I thought I could have done a video in like 5 minutes or less. Alright, stay tuned. I'm about to do another review in a couple minutes.